Okay, this is the website. I just wanted to create a big picture of the app on the top of the website, just so when the person visits the website, they'll be able to see a picture of it. Most people want to see something right away. And I'm also working on putting something else in the background, like a video or something like that, which will make it even more interesting. Okay, it tells them they can watch the plays in motion. Here's a couple of the features, well, most of the features right here. It tells them they can create a play, save a play, watch a play, send a play, edit plays, and draw the routes. The website is just a one-page website, but you can click on the tabs and it'll take them right to the features. Take them to the features and also to the screenshots of the app. This is the play library where everything will be saved. All the plays will be saved right here. This is the home page. This is the field screen after the routes have been drawn. This is what it will look like. And they can choose to see what what it's going to look like, or they can just draw them and press watch in motion. It'll just go. But sometimes people want to see everything. They want to see how the play is going to look. And then they might want to edit, and then they'll watch it in motion. So I want to give them every option. This is a defensive play. They'll be able to draw their routes for the defensive plays also. This is just a different formation with the zone. It just keeps these players in a different spot. This is without the offense also. Okay. And I do have a contact form right here, just at the bottom. I just wanted to keep it simple, just in case somebody needs to contact me with any kind of feedback. We also have an about section, and that's pretty much it for the website. I just wanted to also add the logo, just so they'll know what website they're on. They'll be able to see the logo and connect with that. Alright, thank you. And that is Playmaker.